Hey guys, in this quick tutorial I'll show you how to find the most searched terms inside Google. If you find this video useful, please leave a like and sub to our channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into it. Alright, open up any web browser and then Google most searched words on Google. And then from there, click into backlinko.com. This is the best website to find these most searched terms. So if you scroll down, the top 100 Google searches in the US will be here. So these are the top 10, as you can see. So YouTube's number one with 226 million views. And then Amazon is second, followed by Facebook. And as I said, it's in the US. But if you want to see the world's most searched terms, scroll down. And here we are, top 100 Google searches in the world. And as you can see, YouTube is number one with 1.3 billion, followed by Facebook, WhatsApp, Web, Weather, Translate, Google, Gmail, ClickBuzz, Instagram, and Amazon. So yeah, this is a cool little website for all these stats.